Hey, good morning. It's Monday, April 7th, and it's 7:08 UK time. What's on the screen at the moment is currently the Bitcoin dominance chart. That is BTC.D on TradingView. And what I'm looking at is the run up from December 22, where Bitcoin dominance, meaning how much of crypto market Bitcoin is taking up, was at 39%. The rest was in altcoins, meaning 61% was in altcoins, or just under 61. Since that point, we have had a continuous ups, as you can see on the chart, continuous run up, all the way up to 63% or dominance, leaving altcoins just like the 37%. This is the weekly chart we're looking at, so you can see what's happened with Bitcoin. And also, if you look on this chart, you can see clear support and resistance areas. For example, at its lowest point at 39 was support here, support, 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 support. Here you could see there was another level of support in this area, a resistance here with a support here. So this is another area at 50%. And again, at 62, we have resistance. We had a few candles just break straight through, but we have a support here, a resistance here, support, support, and a bunch up resistance. So this is another area, 63, where the current dominance is at right now. Then at other times where it's 71, you can see this resistance, resistance, resistance. And of course, back in 2014, Bitcoin was taking up 99% of the crypto market, because that's all that there was. Flipping to ETH at its current state now, Ethereum. This is the day chart, and you can see that ETH has been taking a nosedive since December 24. It's just fallen from. Let's measure this, because this is quite a drastic drop. So if we take it from its highest point here, then measure down to where it is now, it's taken a 61% dive in 4 months. Okay, so this is one serious drop. And what we're looking at as well is, if we just check a few patterns going on. So we have what looks like a descending wedge, has a higher probability chance of breaking to the upside of around 70%. You wouldn't really want to buy out. If you're trading this pattern, you would want to see it come out of this trend line here, possibly do some kind of retest where you'll be buying in on the retest, or you could buy in on a breakout and risk it being a fake out and being pulled straight back into the pattern. We never know. But this is one sign, bullish sign, for ETH. Also on RSI, if I just open up the RSI a bit, excuse me, you can see that as the price action from here is sloping down, the RSI is not sloping down, it's flat, which is another bullish sign, to be honest. And not only that, it is close to, well, clearly oversold at nearly 20 reading on the bottom of the RSI. So that's a second reason that you might be interested in topping up your ETH, if that's what you are interested in. And the third thing is, so you have three. You have one, you have the divergence that's happening on the RSI, price action going down with this being flat across measurement, and you have third confirmation, the fact that it's clearly oversold. Fourth confirmation, you are currently on a known support resistance area. That is 4 confirmations that it's a good time to pick up some ETH. If you are, I mean, whether you're trading or you're investing, this is a good time right now, I believe, to pick up some ETH. Yeah, I just wanted to pass that analysis over. I'll be making another video soon. Have a good day.